that button.
Drop a bone, bitch.
You know?
Don't forget.
And we got a real good one for you here today. To me, I think it's gonna be a good one. You feel me? It's the ring.
What is it?
Hey, look, hey, shout out to Creepy Tug. You feel me? Hey, go over to their page,
video.
check out for the video, you feel me?
Well, this is what happened on Halloween Volume 2, caught on Doorbell camera.
Yes, sir. Hey, if you want to go check out this video, go right over Creepy Tube. You feel me? I'll put his link down in the description. You can just go ahead, copy, paste it, put it in the search bar. He'll bring it right up to you.
Hey, before we get into this, though, right? I know you're ready to jump in. But these doorbell ring cameras, they be catching these things on video, bro. You gotta look like I'm looking at the location. It's always some weird place. Like that shit say Wisconsin.
That
Wisconsin,
Washington, Pasco, Washington.
Like what?
That joke say Pasco,
Washington. And I thought it said Wisconsin, but Pasco, Washington.
Yeah.
Like where is that at? I know it's
state
Washington.
State.
I know it. Why? But Pasco. Come on, bro. Like you ain't going.
Ain't
nobody looking up.
Washington State.
Nobody's looking up to go live in Pasco, Washington. People so just imagine it probably just be weird stuff happening out there all the time. That's all I'm saying. Like, like this probably not even like the weirdest. It's probably not even the weirdest like stuff you probably catch on RingCam. Like
going on down there though. That's crazy. That's crazy work. But shoot, this is how we're gonna do it, man. We're gonna hop right into this, man.
Pasco, Washington.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
This guy looks like he's on a mission to steal every package in sight.
Why can't my man live there though?
Because he don't.
Damn, that's crazy. Bro.
My man got the hold up.
What?
Look, right there above the light, he got the little trash picking up junk that be happening on the side when they clean up the sides of roads and stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, he is not living there. He's on a bike. Why are you biking there?
I don't know. I'm just saying, bro, pulled up to that joint like he lived there though.
It's dark.
He pulled up.
It's dark. You got a light on your head with a.
Could be a night biker list. If he's in Pasco, Washington, I told you it'd be weird stuff.
Other stuff in his hand too.
It'd be weird stuff happening out there all the time.
He still got other stuff in his hand.
What's that?
I don't even know. We about to see.
No, he ain't got nothing exactly.
He got the bike in there.
He about to get low.
Las Vegas, Nevada. This lady stole a tan chihuahua named Pistachio. The poor dog is actually crying for help.
Damn.
That's fucked up.
Akron, Ohio.
My name was Pastor Bill, and our tablet was stolen from the church the other day, and we pinged it, and it pinged this address. We called the police, so I just thought maybe I could get it back. Huh? Okay. Well, I called the police already. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I just thought maybe.
That's crazy. Still in the church's iPad is crazy weird.
Philadelphia,
That's messed up. Okay, we got.
You don't want this kind of aggressive neighbor showing up at night.
Oh, here looking mad.
Bro.
Yeah, like he on. He ain't doing no talking.
Austin, Texas. This dude entered the home last night,
I got a
and
ball
now he's
head.
back with something to say to the homeowner. Let's see what he wants.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
First, I want to apologize for last night, and second, I lost my backpack. I was wondering, I'm not sure where I left it. I was wondering if I can check to see if I left it somewhere in the back or something.
But you already in the backyard
for last night and for everything. Is it okay if I check for my backpack?
So I'm guessing he must have hopped their gate or something last night trying
He's
to get
already in their backyard.
How
So
you know that's their backyard? That could
it ain't his backyard. He
No,
asking to check for his book bag.
But I'm saying that could be their front yard, and he's asking because he probably like hopped. Well, I'm
But
thinking
that joint is gated off.
Yeah, but it might
well,
be
yeah, you feel me? That might be a slide.
driveway.
That might be a sliding gate right here.
Driveway or something.
That might be a sliding gate, and you feel me? They come up the driveway because actually, the side he's standing on looks like a driveway.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. He probably hopped that gate or something last night trying to get home, and he probably, I don't know, probably was drunk, dropped his book bag. I don't know. I'm trying to help bro out. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. He don't like, because if he was going to steal something, as soon as they would have said, oh, we not dead, he would have just, you know what I'm saying, did what he had to do. So he not there to steal nothing. It don't look like, you feel me? Because they said we not dead. He wouldn't even sat there and spoken and did all that extra shit. He would just try to kick the door in or go in the backyard automatically. So,
but I mean, all right, I give him that. I'll give him that.
What's up, man? What's going on?
Hey, what's up, man? I remember from last night. I'm sorry about that, man. But I lost my backpack. I don't remember where I remember putting it somewhere, but I don't remember where exactly. It was dark, so I'm just trying to backtrack and see if I can find it.
Nah, I saw you leave with it, so it's definitely not here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but I was gonna ask you. So when I left, I had it on.
All right.
Okay.
So we now know. He knows the person.
He was there.
They know each other.
He was there.
He did something because he said sorry for last night.
But he
did something.
But he was there though, and he said, "Now he trying to say, nah, you just left with it. Nah, nigga, you got my backpack. You got my shit. Yeah, you got my backpack.
He did something fire.
You got my back. Fuck what I did. You got my backpack. Cause man, you got my backpack. He said, "Yeah, I'm sorry, but you got my backpack, though."
Yes, sir. All right, thank you. And again, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.
I'm not laughing at you, lost.
San Antonio.
Good luck finding the backpack, brother.
It's a black backpack, just all black.
Say good luck.
Just a regular backpack.
Yeah, we haven't seen it. We saw you leave it the last night.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. And again, sorry.
You're welcome. Good luck, brother. Sorry you lost it.
Thank you, bro.
Salt Lake City, Utah. Here's how people celebrated Halloween. Check it out.
Man, you nigga.
Yeah. Here's how people celebrated Halloween. Check it out.
Yeah, right there.
Hey, boy.
Salt Lake, what is that? Salt Lake, Utah. They at?
Somewhere in Utah. Hey,
Salt Lake, Utah.
White boy, you don't got the pass, so don't do it. Don't do it. Man, you're only doing that to be cool around your kids.
I don't think that was appropriate.
Nah, it definitely wasn't. Hell no, you about to go to this. You about to put your ass in the kennel.
I try to stop myself from saying that word.
Man, look, his ass about to end up in the kennel.
It's just crazy. That's what but is that I don't know though. It's crazy though. But
I mean, this the times we growing up in now. Well, they're growing up in.
Like,
I'm already.
Is it not so weird for these young men to say the word? Because
I mean, it's not.
Because they say it. They say it.
You don't got the pass, bro.
They say it, bro. They say it.
Nah,
and all he's doing is looting.
Because if somebody like me or you or older black figure was around here and they heard, matter of fact, if that household is a black household,
oh, he would have got whooped.
Come on, I just caught you on my doorbell camera. You feel me? You saying the N-word. I got some words to say. Where your pops at? Where your mom's at?
He would have got whooped.
I need them to understand that you out here saying slurs. You feel me? Like, nah. You and then on top of that, you taking all the candy.
Did you say slanging slurs?
That's why I tried to slow down my words. Nigga. Saying
slanging slurs is crazy.
Slanging slurs is crazy. Hey, that's stupid work. Hell no.
It's crazy. It's like when I heard when
I heard it. I just didn't want to hear it.
Not the whole thing.
you talking from the ring cam, or you in the house? Because if you in the house, they don't respect you.
Don't you want to ring cam? They don't respect you.
I think she said they
Las
smashed
Vegas,
like 3
Nevada.
pumpkins.
It's Halloween.
This late night creep is peeking through the door glass.
Yep.
Always keep your doors locked. Seattle, Washington.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up?
Oh,
Yo, what's up?
hello. Who are you?
Hey, you guys have a party?
No.
Wait, I'm a random. You know,
Nah, bro.
Hey yo, that's crazy. That's
1,
crazy.
2, 3,
Oh,
4. And then a man answered the door, right?
damn, no, that I don't know.
Yeah. Nah, 'cause why y'all four grown ass men at my damn door on Halloween?
He said,
You don't want no candy?
He said, "Do y'all want a party?" That's what he said.
We gonna go back again.
Yo, what's up?
Hello. Who are you?
Hey, you guys have a party?
No.
Wait,
That's
I'm a
a
random.
party.
You know, she
Have a party.
You know,
Maybe
she.
it's subtitle.
Nigga.
Kennewick, Washington.
What?
Sometimes be wrong.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
That man said, "Fuck that." I ain't about to do that.
This lady's trying to open the
Yo.
door. Lost or trying to break in? What do you think?
Lost.
Drop a comment.
Lost. Drop a bone if you think she lost.
Oh. Well,
And we pinged it, and it pinged it.
Kennewick, Washington.
There you go, my man.
yeah.
You want to kick it? Gone.
Oh shit!
Gone.
My man, y'all. Hey, look, it's live in the pocket. Yo, my man took the candy, put it in the bag, and didn't even finish dumping the bag and started running.
There was no point. There was no
He
point.
was like, I might as well take the whole container. I'm gonna take all the
At this
candy.
point, because he looked at it, he was like, "Yeah, it's over." Might as well take the whole joint.
Nah, that shit is hilarious, bro. That shit is hilarious.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This lady's trying to open the door. Lost or trying to break in? What do you think? Drop a comment.
They say you said she's lost.
Offer Miz lost. She pulled her keys out.
That don't mean that's her house.
No, but I'm saying she's lost. Like
That don't mean.
she looked at the keys, try to open the door. She like, damn, this my house? Is it my house?
Nah,
This
that
gotta
don't
be my
mean-
house. Look how she looking up. She like, is this my address? Damn, I don't know if this my address or not. It might be. I thought she looked like she looked distressed. She looked like she.
Hey, look, I hope she got in the house. I really do. I hope she found her way.
Somebody back that old lady. She talking about.
You about to go to the kennel.
Camden.
Back that old lady.
Stop scrolling if your smile is
She was
suffering.
like, "Can you help me?" Like, yeah, I can help you. You got in the bag.
Yeah, he tripping.
For real. That's
Camden, New Jersey.
Camden, New Jersey.
This thief just stole a package right off the porch. Always grab your deliveries before someone else does. Washington, D.C.
What you doing? What you gonna do?
Cuz gone.
What you gonna do? You go around or you gonna motherfucker put the package down?
Cuz gone.
What you gonna do?
That's a wild question.
I'm
not even doing no stuff like that.
No, I'm saying hypothetically.
That's not even, hypothetically, I'm running. I'm already got it. If that back in the day, if that's what I did, the poor Steve thing.
Correct.
Once I got it in my hands,
it's mine.
Bro, you better have a dog on you.
That
you got a dog on you. If you got a dog on you, 50-50, I might put it down. I'm not.
Ain't no 50-50.
Yeah,
It's not. Well, matter of fact, from that far out, I'm off your property at this point. You feel me? The sidewalk ain't your property no more.
know because you got your property in your hands. Though.
Correct. Now, if you chase me,
if you chase them down though, like I'm out your property line, so you can't shoot me. Technically, you feel what I'm saying? By law, you can't shoot me because I'm off your property line.
Correct.
Technically, by law, you cannot shoot me.
Correct.
So it's like you gotta put that in play too. So if are you really gonna risk shooting me for a package off your property line? Now, look, if I survive, I stole that package. Now I'm suing you. I'm doing all this extra stuff. You feel me? So it's like you gotta start thinking about it. They gotta start thinking like that, man.
You saving yourself from going to the
Washington,
See this?
This
that kind of dumb shit.
Pasco, Washington.
That was in Washington D.C. That was that wild shit.
He was aggressive with it.
This lady is outside at 4 a.m. standing there for a long time.
What you doing?
Hey, lady, it's not safe to approach strangers' doors at this hour.
She drunk.
You think she drunk?
Somerville, Massachusetts.
You know why?
Check out this creep dude. What's he doing on someone's porch at this late hour? Austin, Texas. This lady seems a bit mentally unstable. Let's see what she's doing here.
Nah, Shirley, you gotta go.
Lady, you're gonna call the police. Go ahead.
All right.
We need to go. Hey,
Huh?
go call the police.
Okay.
Why she answer like that?
Salt Lake City, Utah.
I'm just gonna take your tiki choices real quick. Yep.
Nah.
I got somewhere to be.
Rockville.
He got an umbrella. He got a big ass table umbrella under his hands, under his arm.
I think that was a female.
What?
I think that was a female, bro, for real.
Nah.
She said I need them tiki torches, she just snatched them joints. Like real live, and they keep saying Utah, and you know what's crazy? I just seen earlier today. I was online, and today it was like Post Malone was talking about how he went to move to Utah, and how he loved that place, and it's such a beautiful place to live. And now, hours later, I'm watching this shit, and all I see is thieving, push powered in Utah and shit. People just walking up, taking your shit. White kids calling people niggas, and ain't no black people around. Like it, man. I don't know, man. I don't know about Utah.
Hey,
I don't know about Utah.
Let's see what New York talking about.
That Rockville,
Central.
Rockville Center, New York. Another one from Halloween Day.
Young niggas.
Yeah. Too late.
Hi. Hi.
Too late.
Hi. Bro, I had a mask for you. But don't do it.
Got him.
They just don't do it. Gotcha.
Case closed.
Gotcha. Take him to the kennel.
It's over for you.
Take him to the kennel, man. Take him to the kennel. First rule. Always hang your mask. But don't do it at all, y'all.
Stupid dog.
Stupid dog.
That's crazy. You put your mask up after you done ran up on the porch and everything. Like you ain't even think about like, all right, man, I got my shite. What's the fucking point of having your shite on for?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. But hey,
that's y'all niggas for you. He got black glove, latex gloves on everything. Like he on something. But he's stealing candy though.
Whole candy box.
This my thing though. You stealing candy though.
Meanwhile, this lady is still wandering to another home at night.
She went to another joint. Told Kelly on it.
Austin, Texas. This woman is stealing packages while pretending to deliver food. She's on a bike with an orange DoorDash bag to stash the loot.
Genius. Hurry up. Run.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Check out this dude.
Bing bong. Is he holding the duck?
Nah, you ever?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought someone is waiting for me here. Sorry. Sorry.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
If someone's waiting for you, why are you trying
that ring alert to let them know that we can't come to the door that they just played? That shit came so late. I'd be pissed.
Too late for that. But he had already opened the door.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Bro had already opened the door. He was like, man, y'all gonna let me in this drink.
Tripping.
every door? Just get out of here. Richmond, Virginia. She's taking a picture of this house. Very suspicious.
Why?
Richmond, Virginia.
I don't know.
Please, let me.
That didn't make no sense, though.
I
was confused on that one.
Very confused.
Virginia.
Why you ain't come outside and chase him?
Oh!
He on that shit.
Bitch, please.
Huh!
Oh!
Hey, why he doing that joint like that?
This is why you don't do drugs, kids.
That boy hit that joint. Oh,
hey, this is why you don't do drugs, y'all. Like, my man's over there, jump on one for real.
Oh,
what the?
He off more than one. Yeah. That boy tough.
Take him to the kennel. Hey, yo.
That boy tweaking.
He on it.
Oh! Oh!
Bro. Come on, bro.
Milk and water.
Oh! Huh? Oh! Huh? Oh! Oh! Ah!
York, Pennsylvania, on Halloween night.
Pumpkin, we have to. There's no camera. Pumpkin. All right, pick it up.
Wait, can I smash the pumpkin this time? But I'm not gonna.
There's another one. I want this one. Ready?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Ready, guys?
Meanwhile, this lady is still standing outside.
Still?
Yeah. I told you know why. You don't see all them cars parked out there, the big house. You know why she out there? She gonna stay out there all night till his wife come out that drink. You tweaking. You tweaking. You ain't caught on yet. You tweaking.
Nah.
You tweaking. She not going nowhere.
No. She look. I told you.
Washington, D.C.
Why she gonna be in the
DC.
This homeowner shared doorbell footage of their neighbor breaking into the apartment. Turns out they're still living there and doing some suspicious activities.
They found an abandoned apartment.
Yeah.
And the neighbor caught their ass on the Ring doorbell camera, John.
That's all that is.
They say they still living there to this day.
Like,
yo,
that's normal though.
Bro,
that's normal work.
Crazy.
The crazy thing is if he break it, if he got to break back in that joint, that's crazy work. Now they know. I mean, if they just walk back in that joint, then I'd be like, yeah, they been in there. They been in that joint. Now if he had to break back in this joint, that's crazy work. But if he walks smooth in that joint, and that means she knew they been in that joint. She just got a ring cam and caught their. They been moving. Like they got bags and everything. They got big bags.
You gotta listen to what this woman see.
Hey DJ.
Well, that's a trap for real.
Fucking for real. Oh, he ain't gonna put his ass out. You don't know, I mean, put him on. He only big motherfucking gun in the door. Smack his damn well. Boom.
They finally put the lock on that joint. Hey, that's what she had caught. They don't got their ass put out that joint. She was doing that joint. She like, yeah, y'all motherfuckers can't get in now. She wild. She wild for that one. No.
Man.
They about to try to get in that joint.
They broke into the apartment in September. Been there ever since.
Drugs gone, all the bad, horrible neighbors. What? What?
Nah. No. Oh shit.
They about to get in that drink. It ain't rocking like that.
York, Pennsylvania.
It's terrible, dog. Grown ass on sugar thumb. Just like a damn baby.
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Their parents really need to teach them some manners.
Some more candy things. Yeah. And then drop the
North
can.
Las Vegas, Nevada.
That boy.
Seattle,
Yeah,
Washington.
she felt like
stupid crazy.
No. At your house? No. Oh. You see me here? No. That door is
what?
None of them are empty.
Suspicious man looking through the window trying to open the front door. He tried to open it.
Now the internet is usable again. Click.org is.
That's crazy. That's crazy work.
Okay.
He was angry.
Kennewick, Washington. Check her out. She's trying to open the truck door and knocking at night.
You're gonna be sleeping that time?
Seattle, Washington. Check out this lady.
He's young. He's all right.
Okay.
I told you he drunk.
Seattle, Washington. These guys showed up at this house on Halloween night. Check out what one of them is carrying. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Dang.
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of Amazon stuff.
North Las Vegas, Nevada. Check out this dude.
You don't see it.
He's acting really weird.
Right.
Right.
You see the light right there.
And the mirror,
Like,
the
you
window.
see the light right there.
That's crazy. He probably drunk though. He probably don't see that shit.
No. How you start fighting the air, bro?
I thought he was gonna hit that wall. I was gonna laugh like
I thought he was too. I thought he was like
man, what that shit is
bruise knuckles, boy. I'm talking.
That shit is
Either he frustrated or he's mad.
He probably practicing for his next fight. Yeah, he practicing for his next
That was a
fight.
mean overhand right. he loaded that motherfucker up.
He's ready. He getting ready for the gym. Coming to you with the left.
Nah, I think he's working out some frustrations or something. Cause either that or he drunk.
Stupid bitch.
Oh shit!
Keep playing with me, man. They keep telling me I can't be what I want to be. They gonna see. Yeah, I'm gonna show all y'all. Yeah, keep playing with me. But he wanna go back in the house.
Oh shit! He came back. He back. What's up?
They won't let me in my own motherfucking house. Fuck wrong with you?
Fuck you.
Let me open the door. Let me open the door. Let me open the door. Oh God!
Why you take so long to leave?
Oh God! Oh God! Fuck y'all, man. Y'all wait too long to open the door, man. Y'all God.
To keep watching these types of videos, click here for more.
Nah, that's crazy work. That's crazy, crazy, crazy work, y'all. My man was on that joint fighting the shit out of somebody. Hitting them with mean lefts and rights all across the board. That nigga winding them up.
That nigga ready for it.
Hey, no, that was hilarious, dog. Hey, shout out to Creepy too. Man, that was a real funny video right there.
Yeah, man, that joint was good, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. That
Yes, indeed. Hey, man, I just want to say thank y'all. Hit that like button, hit that comment section, drop a bone.
Please drop a bone.
Hit that notification bell in the top right. You feel me? Hope y'all enjoyed today's video, man.
Also, email us and also tell us what you would like to see us react to for the next video.
And our email address is right there down in the description. So if you need to find us, you can go right down in the description and see everything from how to see this video, the original side, or reach us via email, drop a video so we can react to it or whatnot. Thank y'all, man. I can't say nothing more, man. It's been a good little run so far. I'm happy.
Tune in next time.
You will be tuned in, man. Tune in. It's two stupid dogs. It's two